Thank you for tuning in. This video will show you very quickly how you can make cheese at home. It's very easy. Make sure to give my video a thumbs up if this is helpful. For years I've been asked, how do you make cheese? And I always reply, it's so easy. It takes about 15 minutes to 30 minutes depending on what you're doing. All it is you heat the milk. You want to make sure that you start with real milk. That's key. Not hormone injected milk, because that's not milk. The health of the cow is represented in the yellow here, so this is a really good sign. And so as you go on, you become good at reading your way. It's a whole art to it. I've become really good over the years. I've been making cheese for over a decade. I don't know, with a bit of a break because I couldn't find the right milk to do it. So I'm so happy that I finally have milk again, that I can make cheese and all the other things that I make with it. So the goal is for it to come to a boil. You just want to constantly stir it. You don't want it to stick at the bottom at all. Look at that, so good. Okay, so we're still stirring. That's what we're doing. And we're gonna keep it going. You see the bubbles are starting to form. It's getting hot. So we're getting it there. And 15 minutes later, boom, you see some bubbles. And you add vinegar or whatever it is that you're using. You can use citrus, a vinegar, and you don't use a lot. And you'll get good at the amounts. And you can use this way to make soup. So I hope that you enjoy it.